sunshine once again.
Are you looking to get into running but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're coming back to it after a break? Well, either way, this is the course for you. It's aimed at a beginner level, so we'll be covering all the fundamentals such as where to run, what to wear and how to stay safe while you're out running. We'll cover how to correctly warm up and cool down so you can stay injury free and enjoy your running, and much more as well. I'm Chris, I've been running for 25 years and over 10,000 students have already taken my online courses, and I hope that you'll be the next one. So if you're ready to get more active, improve your health and fitness and start a new chapter in your life, then hit the Enroll Now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.